It is currently over 100 degrees outside, so today I want to talk about low maintenance beauty products that make me feel beautiful and last through this heat. Everything I'm about to talk about is on my face right now. I am currently drinking hot coffee. I have my window unit off, and like I said, it's over 100 degrees outside, and this is how we've been living. But some days I want to look pretty on days like this. First, I want to start with sweat and makeup breaking down. It doesn't matter if you're wearing no coverage product or a little bit, or you just want your eyebrows to last. I've been raving about this because it works. It works, it works, it works. Dream Labs Eternal Priming Water. I cannot preach about this stuff enough. If you are somebody who excessively sweats when it's hot or when it's not, and you feel like your sweat and your oil is always breaking up your makeup, trust me, Eternal Priming Water is key. Prevents any makeup product from breaking down in the heat, in the sweat, or if you have oilier skin. This has changed the game for me. I don't use setting sprays anymore. I just use Eternal Priming Water. Dream Labs is amazing, created by the makeup artist Alex Mayo. He is Lizzo's makeup artist, and of course he uses this on Lizzo for her performances, and her makeup lasts flawlessly. I'm telling you, this stuff is magic in a bottle. All you have to do is apply your skincare, wait for that to set, take a cotton pad, use gentle swiping motions, let it dry down, and apply your makeup. Doesn't matter if it is full glam to very little glam. This will make your makeup last all day and night. I almost called this video my summer essentials, but honestly, these products can be used year round, and they're gonna last you beautifully whether it's in the heat or in the cold. My two go-to sunscreens right now, because I have not been wearing full coverage on my face, I've just been kind of slapping on concealer when I look a little extra tired, but the two sunscreens I have been reaching for are these. First of all, I recently talked about this in my Curing Depression video. You can watch that. I will link that below. It is the Supergoop Glow Screen, and this is the shade Sunrise. SPF 40. This gives you an insane glow and somehow still blurs imperfections and pores. I don't know how it does that. A lot of times glowier products, especially if you have dry skin and there's like shimmer or an added glow, it can enhance texture. I don't know how this does this, but it does not. It makes you feel moisturized, look glowy, but it's not greasy and does not have an overpowering scent or taste. Sometimes sunscreen can get in your mouth and it's like that terrible taste. This has none of that. Look at that. Extreme glow. Throw on some mascara or no mascara at all. I have been loving not wearing any mascara. The next sunscreen I've been reaching for is the one that I'm wearing today. I'm doing a full review today, so if you'd like to check that out, I will link it. But I've used this a couple times now before creating my full review. It is the Jones Road Everyday Sunscreen, SPF 30. I have the shade Sandy. It's what I'm wearing underneath a tinted moisturizer, which is the Jones Road Just Enough Tint. Jones Road created 5 shades that are color correcting for different skin tones to color correct the white cast of the sunscreen. I think it's so cool. It's a very innovative product. It's very lightweight. And of course, Bobbi Brown created it to go beautifully under makeup. If you choose to wear makeup, this is the shade Sandy. It's what I have on. I have very yellow undertones. No detectable scent. I love this. This can be used alone or as a beautiful prep for your makeup, which is how I used it today underneath the Just Enough tint. I love this product. You can apply this with your hands or quickly with the Jones Road The Daily Brush. This is how I choose to apply it. I just like the feeling of the brush. It's very soft. Throw this in your bag, apply with your fingers. Either way, just apply it. Next type of product that I absolutely love when it is hot are just easy color products to use. I have been reaching for these recently launched Makeup Forever Artist Color Crayons. These are amazing. They are very beautifully pigmented. They blend beautifully, but they also last you all day. The shade Endless Cacao, I've been loving to use this as my contour. I have not contoured my face in a very long time, but because these are so easy to use, so creamy, and last all day, I want to contour my face. It's just fun to apply makeup, and these make it extra fun. These last on the eyelids. It just gives you a beautiful kind of warm tint to the lids that lasts all day, doesn't smudge your mascara, doesn't crease. So I will use Endless Cacao as my contour, and then I will use Anywhere Caffeine as my bronzer. I will apply that to my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, a little on my chin, and also a little on the center of the lids. Like, I love this look that I have on today. I have been wearing this look nonstop for the past 2 weeks just because it's so easy. My makeup literally takes me about 10 to 12 and a half minutes. Like, I filmed it the other day to just time myself for my vlog. How can I get one of my favorite makeup looks in 10 to 12 minutes? It's so easy with these. They're so fun to use. They're unscented. They blend beautifully into the skin. I just use foundation brush. The one I'm using is the Fenty foundation brush. You can use any dense brush. I really love blending these out with a dense brush. I've been using the shade Starfire Gold. It is the perfect, like, champagne-y type of highlight. Blends beautifully with just the fingers. Then I go back in and I'll blend it with the brush, but it creates such a beautiful glow. I apply it to underneath my eyebrow, I apply it to my brow bones, my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead. I love this. Again, so easy to use. You will want to use them. They make me feel more put together, but the best part is, in heat like this, when you want to look put together, but you have all these makeup products that make it a little impossible, you don't want an eyeshadow palette and like all this stuff, these guys you can create a whole look with, and you can also apply them to the lips. This next product has been out for a while. I have just now recently tried it. It is the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Jelly Tint. Can you get a more perfect type of product for the summer? It actually does cool, and I've used this on my bare skin as well as layered over makeup like you're seeing me now. But my favorite shade is this shade Splash. It's like a kind of deep, bright, pinky berry shade, which is, it's the blush I have on. These actually do cool the skin, which is so nice. You can throw these in your bag, apply them to your bare skin when you're out by the pool or out by the water, and it does give a cooling effect. It feels beautiful, and it wears like a cheek stain. And also, I apply this to my lips too, just really quickly. Also acts like a lip stain. I love this product so much. Now let's talk lips. I have been raving about these lip liners, but I have to tell you, when you need just like low maintenance, maybe you can't look in a mirror, but your car mirror, and quickly go, but you want something on your lips and you want them defined, it's these, the Merit Signature Lip Liners. I love these. The one I'm wearing today is the one I've been leaning towards recently. It is the shade Mayfair. It's like this really beautiful sheer berry wine shade that just gives me enough definition, but also just a really nice, almost like stain look. Because of the shade, it looks like a lip stain. I can apply this quickly, just touch up looking in my viewfinder. Blends out beautifully. You can wear these all over the lips. These lip liners are so cool because they are a glossy finish, but they last. You will have to reapply these if you choose to wear a lip gloss over it, just like any other lip liner. It'll break it down just a little bit because of oils and things like that. But when you wear these alone, you really don't have to reapply unless you eat. So low maintenance lips, but still defined with a little bit of tint, but lasts. I got something for you. I recently tried this. I do love a lip oil. I love the YSL. I love the In Beauty Glaze lip oils. I love a lip oil. I have found a lip oil actually lasts. It's not sticky. Actually feels like it's moisturizing my lips, but it's not goopy. That is the Beauty Pie Wonder Gloss Collagen Lip Oil. This is different than any other lip oil that I have tried. I know that sounds crazy. It is. It lasts. I've been drinking a cup of black coffee. Nothing's coming off other than my coffee drip. How is that possible? I don't know. It's the duo for me. Liner in Mayfair with the shade Nude Nectar right over it. And you guys know I love their unlipsticks. Oh my god, I love the unlipsticks. They really are creating some unique products. Do not overlook Beauty Pie. By the way, I have had on, I've been filming now for a couple hours. First time I'm reapplying. There is no like weird scent. It's not greasy. It doesn't slip all over my face. And like I said, it doesn't break down. And I also feel like it doesn't break down lip liners as easily and as quickly as some other lip oils do. But Nude Nectar with Mayfair, when it is hot, hot heat outside, remember the band Hot Heat? Wow, that's a throwback. You have got to wear a mascara that's not gonna run all over your face. I've been preaching about this mascara now for a couple months, and there's a reason why, because it is amazing. Look at my eyelashes. Huh? You know, I don't have the best eyelashes in the world, but the Sochi waterproof tubing mascara really makes me look like I do. I love this mascara. I have very sensitive eyes. I have vasculitis, which has created glaucoma in my eyes, which creates very sensitive eyes. to eye makeup products, especially mascaras. This does not irritate my eyes. It does not make my eyes swell up the next day. Beautiful, soft, lengthened lashes that holds curl and is waterproof. It doesn't look like fibers. It's actual, it feels like it wraps around your lashes and creates a lengthened effect. I love it. It is a glossier black finish, but it's not overwhelming even though I have blonde hair. Like I've said before, I love the packaging because it doesn't roll everywhere. I really appreciate this type of packaging since I get ready in my bathroom now. We have a little pedestal sink with no storage. So things not rolling around. I love when it is hot to throw on some shimmer on my body. There's something about when it's hot and having like a shimmery finish to the skin. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. This is the L'Occitane Shimmering Oil. I love their almond oil for the skin, but then they added some gold shimmer. Oh my gosh, it's that same really kind of warm almondy comforting scent, but with shimmer. I have it on now and it just gives the skin just such a beautiful glow. I like to apply this when my skin's still a little bit damp and it's not greasy. So I can apply my clothes immediately after I apply this after the shower. It doesn't get all over my clothes and it just gives me such a nice summery scent with a little bit of glow. It's not like, oh my gosh, you have glitter on your body. There's just a nice golden glimmer hydration to the body. I love it. Obviously, we need to talk about SPF for the body. This is the one that I've been loving recently. I do love the Vacation Baby Oil, but I love the Vacation Classic Whip. SPF 50. First of all, it's freaking fun. It's not greasy and it smells so good. What? The Vacation scent is just put it on your skin just to smell good, y'all. It hydrates the skin just enough, but it's not greasy. I smell like I'm by the pool. I want to go to the pool. So it like makes your legs look really good too when you're in your swimsuit or shorts. I love this sunscreen as an everyday body sunscreen. You cannot beat this smell. You can't. I just want to point this out. I'm someone that definitely has sensory issues, like for real. So greasy products or products that make me feel sticky and sweaty or like my makeup is dripping, I can't. It's such a mental prison for me. All of these products are comfortable to wear, will make you look beautiful and feel beautiful all day. Let us know in the comments what you love to wear when it's hot. Maybe nothing, but like what does your SPF look like or what does your moisturizer look like? Because we always have to, when extreme weather hits, whether it gets freezing cold or super hot outside, we all have to kind of start switching up the types of products we're using. So it would be super helpful if you left your recommendations in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. TikTok's that's a free-for-all for me. So at I'm Mallory Brooke. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. I love you. Stay safe out here in this heat.